Welcome to this video, guys. So in the last video basically we saw how we can send out this information from content script to pop-up.js to content script using inter-process communication. So we used the Chrome runtime API. So now we need to listen for this event, guys. We are sending it from content script to the pop-up.js. So these thumbnail URLs we are sending right here. This is an array that we are sending. It contains 3 URLs. We need to show it inside our show thumbnail preview. So this is the action we need to do. So just go to pop-up.js and right here we will basically listen for this event. So we will say Chrome, again we will use the Chrome runtime API and on message, and we need to listen for this add listener. This is not add event listener, this is add listener. We need to listen for this request. This will be a callback function, request sender send response. This can be anything, but the naming convention needs to be same. Here needs to be request sender send response. So now we need to listen for the event, guys, that we are sending, which is request.action. If it triple equal to show thumbnail preview. So this is the same event, guys. You can see we are sending right here show thumbnail preview. So we are having this if condition. So if the action is equal to this show thumbnail preview, then we need to show the thumbnails of the YouTube thumbnail. So how we can do that? We can say const thumbnail URLs. We will say we will extract the information request URLs. It contains this information request URLs. So if I just console log thumbnail URL, so what you will see, guys, basically if I reload my extension, click reload. So again if I basically tab this, so now if I inspect element, go to console, so now you will see that, guys, our 3 extensions are returning right here. This is the first extension, which is maximum resolution. This is standard quality extension. This is high quality. Now we need to basically embed these images right here so that in drop down, whenever users select maximum resolution, that image will be shown. So how we can do that process? It's very simple. We will basically target the DOM here, which is thumbnail image. We will say document.getElement by ID thumbnail image. So we have basically pop-up HTML. We have given this ID here, which is thumbnail image, to the image element. So we are targeting it by document element by ID. So after you do that, guys, we need to basically write some JavaScript code for this. We will say that let current index is equal to 0. And then we will say that thumbnail image source is equal to thumbnail URLs, and then we will say the current index. So here, guys, what we will say, thumbnail URLs, we will say current index, and then we will say thumbnail. If you just write these 2 lines, your thumbnails will be shown here. If I again refresh this, now you can see that automatically, guys, the image is showing right here. This is capturing this image. You can also right click this image and save this image inside your computer as well. So now this image is saved right here. You will see that. So you can navigate to any YouTube video that you want to do. Let's suppose I open this video. So now it is automatically detecting the thumbnail right here. It is showing this thumbnail right here. So if I click the download button, nothing happens. It just the alert window is shown right here. So now we need to allow the user to simply select whichever resolution, and if they click the download button, this image should be downloaded. So how we can achieve this process? It will be slightly different. We can even basically attach this on click listener to the thumbnail image as well. We can define a on click. So whenever you click the thumbnail image, this event will occur. So we will say current index is equal to current index plus 1. So we will divide it by thumbnails URLs, thumbnail URLs dot length, and thumbnail image source is equal to thumbnail URLs dot current index. So this simply means that you can toggle the different quality images by simply clicking them. So if you just reload this extension right here, So what will happen? You can toggle various quality of thumbnails by clicking on them. This is a standard quality, high definition quality, like this. So now in the section, guys, I will be showing you how to write our background JS script, basically to download and also show the notification to download the thumbnail into our downloads directory. So now I will be showing you in the next section.